Eero Pro 7 Setup Guide. First, download the Eero app. Install the Eero app on your Android or iPhone. Then sign in and create an account. Step 2. Connect the Eero Pro 7 to your modem. Using the included Ethernet cable, connect your Eero Pro 7 to your modem or ONT. Then plug the Eero into power. Step 3. Wait for the status light. Wait for the Eero to power on. The LED will blink while starting up. Then the app will guide you through detecting the router. Step 4. Follow the setup in the app. Open the Eero app and follow the on-screen instructions to detect the router. Assign a location and create your Wi-Fi network name and password. Step 5. Add additional Eero devices. And this is optional. If you have more than one Eero, tap Add Eero device in the app and place additional units around your home to expand coverage. Step 6. Connect your devices. On your phone, computer or TV, open Wi-Fi settings and connect to the new Wi-Fi network you created during setup. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.